2022 Ram 2500. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.